Psychology Assessment 18, question 7. What is punishment? All right. So we discussed earlier what reinforcement is. We want this behavior to reoccur. Now, punishment is going to be the opposite. Punishment is a stimulus that decreases the chances of the behavior to reoccur. Now, there are two forms of punishment. You have positive, you have negative. Okay. So basically, what we want is to decrease the possibilities of this behavior or the specific behavior to reoccur. For example, let's say we wouldn't like the kid to have sweets at night because it prevents him from sleeping. All right, he's too hyper. He's on a sugar rush, right? So positive punishment. We'll go ahead and we contribute our vocals. We tell him nicely, hey, listen, no sweets before bed because you get out of hand and you don't go to sleep on time, and then you wake up in the morning tired and you get sleepy in the middle of class and you're not focusing in class, right? So that's a positive punishment. Why? Because we added our vocals, our lecture, all right, in order to decrease the chances of him consuming sweets before bed. Now, what is a negative punishment, right? So a negative punishment, same situation. We need to prevent the kid from consuming sweets before bed. So a negative punishment, we will take something out, right? So, all right, we see him in the pantry. We remove the sweets from his possession before he's able to consume it, and we say no sweets before bed. Okay, now that decreases the chances of the behavior to reoccur. So us removing the sweets decrease the probability of him consuming the sweets before bed. So that's what we call a negative punishment when we remove something. And those are two general forms of punishment, right? So recall, punishment is the entire procedure of decreasing the chances of the behavior to reoccur.